Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Tested. Today I will show you how you can set up your scheduled transactions in GnuCash. Sarah, if you can hear me, this video is for you. Sarah asked me to do a video on this topic, so here it is. It's gonna be a short video, so let's hop right into it. I've set up a new GnuCash file here. As you can see, we are in our checking account and we have 3 transactions. Those are just normal transactions. We have our salary, comes from income salary, only $1,500 US. We have a loan payment, a credit card payment of 100, and we have a rent. And for the rent I created a new account called rent. Okay, so what Sarah said she wants to do is schedule her rent or her salary, stuff like that. So that's what we will do now. If you have your transaction in an account, you can just right click it, go to schedule, give it a name. We leave it at salary, that's okay. And you have to set a frequency. So for that we will set monthly, because at least in Germany that's what the normal salary is like. And you can see also the dates are German here, so don't get distracted by that. Now the start date is it's 1 month, like after today. And we want to set that at the 1st of March. So it starts the next month and it will never end. Now you can see at the calendar on the right hand side that the 1st of each month is marked. And that means the transaction will pop up at those dates. Now you have some advanced features. You can say create automatically. Now that means normally if you don't check this box here, you will only get a reminder of the transaction, I think. So if you check it, the transaction will be created automatically and you can get notified if you like to. If you want to get notified, you will have to check the notify me when created box, and you can also get reminded in advance or create the transaction in advance if you like to. Okay, so those are the advanced settings you can do. You can have a look at the frequency, and you can say that except on weekends, if the 1st of each month or the 1st of a month is a weekend, you can set that to use next weekday, so it will be the next Monday. That's quite cool, a cool feature I think. Okay, now that's just a template of the transaction, so you can see what the transaction will look like, and yeah, that's it. Okay, if we click OK, now our scheduled transactions has been created. And you can see that if you go to Actions, Scheduled Transactions, and go to the Scheduled Transaction Editor. Now what you see here is you see your scheduled transactions. That's the one we created just a moment ago. And frequency is monthly on the 1st. It occurred never because it hasn't been executed yet. Next occurrence will be 1st of March. And here you have the calendar with the, it's just marked when the next transactions will happen. If you click on the calendar and then mouse over, you can also see the name of the scheduled transactions like that. If there's no transactions on those dates, you of course, see no name. Just here you see salary monthly 1st. Okay, we'll do another one so you get used to it. If you want to delete this transaction, you can select it and click on the delete selected scheduled transaction button. You can edit it if you click on this button here, and you can create a new one if you click on this button. Now, if you click on the create new transaction button, you would have to create your scheduled transaction from scratch. That means you have to enter all the nodes, description, the funds, the accounts yourself. So I would advise against it and just create a scheduled transaction from an existing transaction. Yes, we want to cancel. Now we can delete this one. Now you see all the scheduled transactions got deleted. We go back to our checking account and select our rent, because that's likely what you want to do. Again, right click, schedule. We say that's the 1st of each month, so 1st of March. Now you see all days are selected because we have the frequency and set to daily. We select monthly here, and it's the same game. Just reselect the first. End and never end is okay, and click OK. Take a look at the Scheduled Transactions tab or the Scheduled Transactions editor. We have our scheduled transaction here, and you're ready to go. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a comment, leave me a like, or subscribe to the channel, of course, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye.